Hi, welcome again. This will be a quick let's hope it will be a quick try attempt to gain 3 stars on the 10th challenge of AWS Card Clash. We already played it in the last video, so let's try again to win this game but gain all the 3 stars on the microservices in Amazon EKS. Okay, it's my move. So I can use EC2 as secure it. I'll discard 2 AM rolls. Although they are very useful, but I probably need energy more at the start. I will secure my C2 here. But I'm out of energy for more important cards, so I don't know if I will be able to win this part. It all depends on the number of energy available for me. And I have none. At this point it will be good for me if the gorilla bashes his cards, but check out how it ends. All useful cards, but I need energy. I should discard more of those to gain more energy. This will end soon and with big failure, I guess. Yeah, again, he's scoring the top fields while I have non-high. DynamoDB will be useless. I can now place my... No, I can't place anything, but I hopefully get more energy on the next turn. I have enough slots to gain more cards, so we'll see how it goes. But I'm losing terribly. So I have EKS and I can secure it with AM roll. And the person who puts the load balancer wins. I can lose this time. Which will be... Oh, this is so sad. This is so sad. I was hoping for a quick win. And I was defeated. Okay. Let's reattempt this. I focused too much on the low score. EC2 instances, I should discard those cards in the beginning. Just steal his field. If I would place my DynamoDB and he had to steal from me, he would lose extra energy. But now I need to pay more than he, and I will always be out of energy. Okay. It's the security group worth it? Not in my opinion. Okay, I will just secure this and wait for more energy on the next turn. And I hope for Gorilla Bash. Okay, we have it. And I'm the one who lost. The more favorable position. Oh my gosh, I just lost energy when I tried to put RDS. Oh, I have not read the card. It seems like I want to lose this time. I need to read the cards and be more present in what I'm doing. Useless. Useless. Let's not waste energy on EC2s, as they are low priority. They do not provide us much value to the score. That's an interesting part. And again, he lost EC2. It's an RDS, I don't need any RDS. I don't need any AM now. If he wants to steal it, he'll have to pay one more energy, but he's full on energy. And I'm lacking as always. I don't see how this can end well. It looks like I can lose again this part. Just needs to put one card. Security group. me too. But I'm still on the losing position. Now, if he has the card to finish, no, he didn't have. Okay, he'll get the application image bashed, and I still have nothing. I still have nothing. I don't have any useful cards in my hand. He packed so many energy. Okay, I got 3. Elastic Kubernetes service. I'll put AM on this one. Then I won't need this. I don't need a security group in case he would like to steal. I would just use the EC2, although security group would be cheaper in terms of energy. So I have +2 energy. DynamoDB cannot be stolen. Kubernetes service cannot be stolen. EC2 is useless. Security group. It won't hurt me at all. If he will steal it, I will place the second EC2 on his card. I will have enough energy, but the person who have the container registry will win the game. So I have the container registry and I can place it, and yeah, it's 4 times the opponent's score. So for something that looked quite a dark scenario, I actually managed to achieve it. Okay, let's check the stars, because this video is getting quite long. Yeah, okay. So I was able to achieve a 3-star win on 2nd attempt. No, it's 3rd attempt, because the previous one I lost. Okay, anyways, let's check what will be in the 11th channel. AWS device farm with CI/CD. Create a CI/CD delivery pipeline for a web app by using AWS CodeStar and AWS Device Farm Desktop Browser Testing Service. Device Farm Desktop Browser Service. So they have some service for testing applications on different devices. AWS Cloud 9. So we have the working environment and code editor in the AWS, code build to build our code in the pipeline, code commit AWS repository, code deploy. So it's also a feature of pipeline to deploy our artifacts or build code to some places. Code pipeline. So this will probably connect either to GitHub or GitLab or AWS code commit to pull our code and build it. CodeStar. I have no idea what CodeStar is, and I have no idea what device farm is. And again, a history to keep our artifacts probably. Okay, that will be all for this episode. I'll see you in the next one over there somewhere, and thank you for watching. See you there. Bye.